Day that I met you, girl, I knew that it was something special, but I couldn't put my finger on it. Fuck, I can't sing.
Alright guys, hey, what up, what it do? This is AliciaC here, back again with another makeup tutorial. Alright, happy Valentine's Day, coming back to you guys with this sweet and simple eye look that I decided I wanted to try out. I've been seeing a lot of things on Pinterest and Tumblr, so this is kind of simple and it's really edgy. Cue Tyler the Creator-esque music. Get some vibes going here. So right now, essentially, I'm just blushing my cheeks. I've already prepped and primed everything. So I have my foundation on and I did my eyebrows and concealer and all that. But I just grabbed some blush from my BH Cosmetics Blush Neutrals palette and I put those on the apples of my cheeks and blended them out. And now I'm taking this super bright and richly pigmented hot pink eyeliner pencil from Ruby Kisses and I'm just lining my waterline, or my lash line rather, sorry guys, I'm lining my lash line with this electric neon eye pencil. It's super easy, just winging it out a little bit, which you're gonna see me do in a second. This is a great cute eye look though if you're like really not into makeup and you just want something quick and easy for a cute little date night, or maybe you just want to look cute at work. This is a great idea for that. Me myself, I've always had like a tomboyish-esque style. I never really grew out of it, I guess, so I like quick and easy things that are convenient, and this is really cute and it's just, you know, you're not doing too much. Maybe this is for that date that you don't really care about, or you can just look cute for the day, you know what I'm saying? Throw on a white t-shirt, some jeans, just call it a day. So as I mentioned earlier, I told you guys I was going to wing out the Ruby Kisses eyeliner, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of making it more dramatic and I'm building up the liner so it can be bold and bright. The eyeliner itself is pretty bright. I thought about like lining it first with a white pigmented eyeliner and then going over that, which you could also do if you really want to see that pop in color. I hate math, but that's what I'm doing. Math. What is it? What do they say? What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So just follow those directions. Your life will be peachy keen. So now I'm adding in this black eyeliner to my waterline. I said it right this time. Adding black liner to my waterline, and I'm just trying to make the look more intense. I'm not really a fan of lining my tight line. It hurts too much. I have sensitive eyes, so I usually just stick to the waterline. What are you guys What are you guys Valentine's Day plans? This is like my third voiceover, sorry guys, but what are your plans for Valentine's Day? Comment below. I would love to know, because honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do myself yet. I'm still deciding. Okay, so I'm taking my Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just highlighting my cheekbone, and I like doing this like weird zigzag effect because I don't know, I just like being like a little shiny unicorn. Kind of drag it up towards my brow bone or towards the end of my brow bone. I just think it looks cool. Maybe it's not. Tell me if it's a trends to ditch in 2018. Let me know down below in the comments. Thumbs up if you like this. So yeah, I'm just blending out my highlighter. I believe I took the shade It's Lit or Kitty Cat. I can't remember right now, but I'll put that info in the description box. And then I'm going back up to my brow bone and I'm highlighting those areas. The brush that you see me using is actually a part of an e.l.f. brush kit set. It's the concealer brush, but I really like these larger fluffy brushes for highlighting better than I actually like the fan brush recently. So I just curl up my lashes and then I'm applying some mascara. It's the Ruby Kisses extra large mascara or lash lengthening mascara. It's in a gold tube. You can find it at your local beauty supply. It's like $3. I just know this mascara is bomb. I have short lashes, but I don't know. I think it has some fibers in it too, so it gives me a little extra length and kind of makes it have more volume. So I really like this brand. Ruby Kisses is the plug though. Like if you haven't shopped or bought anything from Ruby Kisses, like what are you doing? It's just so cheap and affordable, like, and it's so amazing for $3. Like, just go cop it. Go cop it and thank me later. Put in some mascara on the bottom lash line. So that's what I'm doing right now. Anybody else ever get their lashes like stuck together with mascara, or is it just me? I hate it. I hate it so much. It's so painful and it's annoying. So I just highlighted my tear duct area. This is also really popular. I remember I used to do this in high school and people would just stare at me like, girl, what is on your face? This is like before I really wore makeup and I would just like highlight my tear duct and I started experimenting. People just like looked at me like I was crazy. But yeah, so now I'm going in with the same eyeliner pencil that I used just because I wanted to keep the same colors. You can always switch it up and do something different. And I wouldn't recommend doing this on other people unless you sanitize it with some alcohol first because, you know, any eye products that you use carry germs. Any products in general carry germs, but you don't want to transfer that to anybody. So I'm just filling my lips in with the same lip liner by Ruby Kisses, this hot pink color, and this is after I've like added my lip balm and moisturized my lips. So I'm filling that in. I'm just going to stick with my regular lip shape. My bottom lip is pretty normal. And my top lip is like, it always goes extremely thin whenever I smile, which I hate. So I learned a trick and you can actually just go ahead and drag your pencil upward on the outer part of your lips and that adds more volume to your top lip, which you'll see me do in a second. And cue the Tyler the Creator music. It's like my whimsical intro. So now I just added this brightly hot pink lip gloss. I believe it's called High Shine Lip Gloss by LA Colors. It's like $2 at the local beauty supply, but yeah, it's an extremely obnoxious pink color. And it's really moisturizing. I liked it a lot, and there's a final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and stay tuned for part 2 because there is a more sultry look coming after this for my chicks that want to be sexy out here. Alright, thanks guys. Talk to you later. Bye.